Hi there and welcome everyone to a new Geeks tutorial here from rakmedia.com. In today's video we'll be reviewing the new Adsense updates of May 2018. Welcome back. As we all know, from time to time Google makes certain updates and upgrades, and Adsense is not an exception. And a few days ago we have received notifications about the new Adsense terms of service updates.
www.rackmedia.com.
So first of all, you will receive a notification or an email into your Google account which asks you for taking action, which is reviewing the updates of Adsense terms of service, as we see here. So this is the email that we have received from Google Adsense. You need of course to sign in order to open this. Let's click on it. Opening the email. So as you see, dear partner, as we shared in March, we are updating the Adsense terms of service. They are now ready for you to review. The updates made to meet the needs of our publishers around the world as our Adsense and AdMob products continue to improve. Among other things, the update terms include new provisions about future testing, invalid activity and policy compliance, as well as how we handle payments to you. Excellent. So there are certain new terms and things that you need to consider and agree before you continuing using this service or using the Adsense platform. So make sure you are signed in. If you are viewing this your email in the Adsense email, then you will be signed automatically. Let's click on sign in to Adsense. This of course will take us to the Adsense platform or dashboard. Normally we have the Adsense dashboard, but as you can see here you will be redirected to the Adsense update to the Adsense terms and conditions of service updates that you need to read and consider. Okay, there are most as usual, but there are certain ones which are new and which are adjusted or modified in order to meet the European Community guidelines or terms of services.
www.rackmedia.com.
So you should rather go one by one in order to not to skip things or in order to avoid surprises. So one of the things which are new here are the taxes. As between you and Google, Google is responsible for all the taxes associated with the transactions between Google and advertisers in connection with the ads displayed on the properties. So here they specify that in some countries you will be asked to pay taxes based on your Google Net income or the money that you get from Google AdSense. So you, if it is that much, you need to pay tax for the country you are residing in. Testing. You authorize Google to periodically conduct tests that may affect your use of the services. Intellectual properties. Privacy, which is to keep your data and your information secure. Confidentiality. Indemnity. Representations. etc. Limitation of liability. Nothing in the AdSense terms will exclude or limit either party's liability for fraud or fraudulent mispresentation, death, or personal injury caused by negligence. Anything which cannot be excluded, limited by the law. Service specific terms. Here you can head on to AdMob if you are using the AdMob platform or service to get more guidelines and policies of this service. After reading all these terms and updates and you agree with them, all you need to do is just to check this box. Yes, I've read and accept the agreement. Yes. Next you click on continue to AdSense. And that will open the AdSense dashboard. Okay, that's it, the new AdSense dashboard. So I have a message here which is to support publishers complying with Google's updated European user consent policy. European user consent settings are now available. Let's click on action. What should we do? So this will open a new window which is how European user consent affects you. As under the Google European user consent policy, you must make certain disclosures to your users in the European Economic Area and obtain their consent for the use of cookies and other local storage and for the use of personalized ads. So you need to get the agreement of your visitors and users in order to display the ads. Select the type of ads you want to show. So the first will take the visitor or the creator, country, language, etc. And non-personalized ads will consider only the content of the post or the article. Next, you need to select technology provider. Here you can select providers, different providers of ads, or commonly used providers. You can view some of the commonly used providers. You can see Google, Arquido, etc. Ad4. These are some of these most famous users. So it is recommended to use a commonly used set of technology providers and the personalized ad. Okay.
www.rackmedia.com.
Personalized ads. If you want to change to personalized ads, and click on save. Selections are saved. Personalized, you have omitted certain ads like sensitive categories. You can see here black magic, astrology and astrology. It's blocked. You can block them or block the ones that you don't need. Okay. Or you can just select the networks, the whole network. That's it. Hoping this have given you a general idea about the new updates which has reached the AdSense terms and condition of services and will help you continue earning more revenues. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.